cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa made quite a few of prawn dishes recently, and then my Hong Kong friend saw it and he's asking me when am I going to make a soy sauce prawn, siawong tai ha. Okay, it's actually one of the simplest prawn dish ever, if you ask me. But I have to confess, my prawn today is not the extra very large one. This is the 1 kg, about 38 pieces. All right, so this is about half kg here, around 10 over pieces. Okay, what I do with the prawn is I just cut off the pointy part and I remove the leg. Okay, that's all. Now, if you are using a much bigger prawn, you probably want to devein it, yeah, so that the flavor can get in easier. For me, this size I find is okay to even without devein, and it does look nicer on the video without devein. I must confess. So probably you want to devein at home lah. After you devein, the flavor also gets in easier also. Right, then we have some spring onion. Okay, some spring onion and also ginger. That's all we need for the ingredient. And of course we will need, as the name suggests, it is made out of soy sauce, soy sauce. Basically you need some good quality or premium. Yeah, you need some premium soy sauce, and we will put in some dark caramel soy sauce as well. Just more for the color, yeah. And I'll be putting in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder as well, to give it to further enhance the umami flavor. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore, or any Malaysian and Vietnamese restaurant. Give your wok a little bit of oil, and then we want to saute the ginger and also the white portion of the spring onion. All this will help to remove the fishiness from the prawn itself. Let me double check the focus. Saute this a bit before we put in the prawn. We'll come back shortly. This will actually flavor your oil. You do want to use high heat or medium high heat for this dish, yeah? Make it hot, because I purposely left the shell on the prawn so that later when the hot temperature, hot oil or hot surface get contact with the prawn, like right now, it will give me another enhanced flavor. Okay, so use medium high or high heat. For some who like it a little bit more spicier, you can actually put in some chili, up to you. That one you put it towards the end lah. There's no rules in Appa Kitchen. Okay, this is your home cooking. Don't let people tell you how to do it. So the thing about cooking prawn is that if you cook it for too long, it will become mushy. So what do we mean by too long? Basically, most of the prawn, it will be fully cooked between 3 to 4 minutes. So don't cook more than that. So I try to arrange the prawn so that the prawn will have some direct contact with the wok, yeah, so that it can bring out the fragrance. On the shell, I want to char the shell a bit more. This is coming to about 1 minute plus. As you can see from here, I start to get some char on the shell. That will give it an enhanced flavor. Any seafood will shell when it has the direct contact with high heat, it will give you enhanced flavor. That's why I always like to keep my prawn shell, yeah? This is coming to 2 minutes. I can smell the wok flavor already, yeah, the wok hay, yeah. Almost there. Now we can actually, let me tune down the fire a bit. We need a bit of light soy sauce, the premium light soy sauce, okay? So that it's flavored nicely. Some dark soy sauce, this is more for the color. Some dark soy sauce will give it bitter flavor, so don't put dark soy sauce too much. And I'll give it a little bit of my cooking apple chicken stock powder to give it some umami flavor, enhance umami flavor. Now we can raise the heat. You can put a bit of sugar if you like. This is coming to 3 minutes already, yeah? I don't mind giving a little bit of Sautéing wine. So if you don't take alcohol, you can put water, a bit of water, just to help to bring everything together. All right, done. The remaining of the spring onion and few dashes of white pepper. Done. That's how simple it is to make Xiao Wong Tai Ha at home. Seriously, one of the easiest prawn dish ever. Make this during your Chinese New Year also. So easy but so flavorful. You can put some chili for nicer color, yeah? Done. So here's Apa, a very simple version of soy sauce prawn, yeah? Xiao Wong Tai Ha. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.